Hey guys, Sean here. Today we'll be speaking about what user fields we would be merging in the event that we are going to be downloading a new template for the exact same flow because we'll be running a rebate for another ASIN. So I'm going to be installing the order verification and rebate distribution template as so, and I'm just going to hit install, pick a page, and be right back. After you pick the page, you should see this option of merge text, custom user fields, bot fields, etc. etc. So we're just going to click on it to expand it. And we are given the option to either merge the template user fields into our current user fields or X them out if we don't want them to merge. So I want these values to merge because we'll be clearing them out anyways, so it wouldn't make sense if we would to create a new custom field because we would have to change the mapping. So everything here it's fine. At this portion for the bot fields, you don't want to merge the API counter name, the ASIN, the max daily giveaways would be up to you. If it would be the same, I would X out the optimized link and the review link, as well as the product name and the counter value total. Scrolling down, I would also not merge my rebate receipt product for the tag. And that's it. That's the user fields we are merging and the user fields we are not merging. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I'll try my best to help.